Alright, here we go. And motherfucker is raining. Alright. I guess we need a bad weather video, you know. Just sprinkling right now. I don't really see anything bad. There we go. So I gotta chill. I'm not really scared of the weather, but at the same time, you gotta be something you gotta look out for, because it's gonna get bad. Slick. These motherfuckers on these cars don't care either. So we're not taking the highway. Alright. Yeah. This is gonna be a little iffy. Oh yeah, that's gonna suck. That's gonna suck pretty bad. That's gonna suck right there, boy. That's gonna suck. But anyway, Crazy Cowie, man, I got caught up in the rain. I misjudged it. Definitely misjudged it. Most definitely. We'll see how this works out though. Shouldn't be too bad. We're just gonna take it slow. Rule number 1 in the rain in my book. Man, don't do no stupid shit. You don't need to be over revving. Keep them RPMs low. Brake in advance. Ooh! Brake in advance. If you have to, stop. And remember, the ground is slick for the first 30 minutes of the rain. And it hasn't rained in Texas in a minute. And I said minute, I mean a minute. Especially in Dallas. Especially in Dallas. So we're not gonna be a hero today. We're not gonna be Crazy Cowie today. We're gonna be Coward Cowie. I have no problem, because I have 2 kids and 1 on the way. Now if you took your MSF course, the most important thing is just, you know, assessing the risk. For instance, is it worth it going fast on a rainy day? Like, what do you have to gain? Not a damn thing. Was it worth me getting on the bike to get to the gym just to leave soon? No. So there, woo! That was a strong gust of wind. When I say strong, I mean strong. It really just pushed me. And I'm doing 35 miles an hour. This is going to be an interesting ride. I'm sliding with my boots. I am sliding. Legit sliding. I can't, oh man, this is gonna be pretty bad. Not bad, but not bad. I know they seen that big siren. Hurt, you can't damn it, don't let that flow. I hurt. Gucci. But anyway, so I mean, riding a motorcycle is all about assessing risks. I did not exercise my ability to assess risk the right way before this ride. I'll tell you that. I will openly tell you that. This is one of my L's for the day. A big L. I got my GoPro wet. And I got the auto mod, so I'm not sure if it's watertight or not. So, and it's thundering the way I'm going. Now remember, This shit is slick. My boots are being slid across this pavement. No indication whatsoever of stopping. Oh man, this is not what I wanted whatsoever. I didn't think it was gonna come to this. Ooh. Oh, that rain hurt. That rain hurt right there. That rain hurt. But this is a good lesson for me. I tell you that. This is a brilliant lesson for me, because I've been saying I need to know what it's like to ride in the weather. I don't now. Ooh. Lord, be with me. Jesus, I am sorry for all the wrong I have done. I do need a little extra protection right now, however. This moved in quite fast. I tell y'all what, if I ever indicated that oh man, it's cold. If I ever indicated that I might just be a little crazy, I take that back. I can't even see. I should probably bring it down one. I ain't stopping. That's just me falling right there. Woo. That's just me falling, honestly. I do believe that I have enough common sense to stop from totally falling. I'm gonna put my phone in the pocket, because my phone got a crack in the screen. Ooh. Ah! My phone does have a crack in the screen. And you see this right here? This is why. This is why. Hey man, what are you doing? Come on, man. I'm right in front of me. God damn. See, that's right there, man. You got to be careful on this thing. It's clowns, man. I would have to push on the brake. I would have failed. I'm doing my best, you know. But boy, am I still going? Yeah. Woo! My balls is wet. There's no stopping whatsoever with these boots. No stopping whatsoever. I'll whoop your motherfucking ass. You come over and you say some shit. Hey, people just can't own the fact they done f***ed up. Like, oh, my bad. That's that simple. Woo! For the most part, we're doing good. I wouldn't be surprised if my GoPro was messed up after this. And I gotta get another one. Oh, wow! I'm only doing 30 miles an hour. That thing pushed me that hard? Woo! Oh, man. This is no good. This is no good for me. Let me stop tripping, man. Just like any other day, right? Hell no. Do not. Oh man, this is gonna be interesting. Look, these is one of the things you gotta think about. Woo! I know y'all seen that. This is one of the things you literally have to think about riding a motorcycle. If you get stuck, now think about it. If you're on the highway and this happens, oh man, you're gonna be a hazard to everybody on the road. Everybody. Like this right here, he's splashing all on me. And I ain't finna try to speed to get out of it. Psych. I gotta get past that right there. Woo! I'm getting in this middle lane. Here in Texas, they really exercise the sloped roads. You just gotta get through it carefully, man. That's all you gotta do. I'm telling you, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared for real. I'm scared. I'm not stopping. Cause I'm scared. This was a bad choice of mine. And this right here, woo, that's a lot of water. I'm scared. But anyway, yeah, so look, you gotta think about it. 15 minutes when it starts to rain, within the first 15, the road is extremely slippery. That's because all the little crevices of defects within the concrete throughout the road. That is, you know, that's where all the oil from these cars and the oil, fluids under the car just, you know, seeps into. And now it may be hot. You know, the road may be super dry, super hot, super sticky. However, that's purely because all that oil and stuff is in those cracks. So of course, as soon as it rains and that water just kind of not dilutes it out, but you know, kind of brings the oil to the top, because the water will get into those cracks, and oil always floats on top of water. Always. Ain't no case of indication that that would never happen. So that's why during the first 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or the roads are the slickest. So I could have did the smart thing and stopped. I could have did the smart thing to just let the 15 minutes wear out. However, I am in a time crunch right now because I have to get to work, which I have to drive my Econ car, which I'm not too happy about. However, it's all about being safe, you know. Be safe. If you're gonna drive your motorcycle, do enough to be able to drive the next day. And now my feet have not touched the road whatsoever, but my shoe is full of water. Full of water. So exercise your right of making smart decisions when you own this thing. I did not. But as you can tell, my voice and the amount of fear of me driving just, I think, 5 miles could show that I'd rather have drove the wimpy Econ car than be stuck in this situation. So at any point, this guy right here can hit a big puddle, splash me, take out my complete visibility, and I could go crash. Down in the fiery blaze I could go. But I believe I'm almost at the destination point, and I don't want any of you weirdos to see where I live. So, with that being said, be smart, guys. Drive in conditions that you can drive in. Don't overdo it. I would like to see you guys on the road once I upgrade to my ZX14R and we can do some digs on the highway. Don't let this bike be the reason why we can't meet up and to take you out. Alright guys, peace. Crazy Cowie out. Actually, Coward today, which I'm happy to say. Alright, peace guys.